You guys aren't going to believe this, but look who's here! It's Mission Destiny helicopters! And they're going to be at the Maize giving tours on the helicopter with the Maize. Look at it go! And I'm going in there, and you're coming along with me! Ha 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 ha! Look! The helicopter! The plane, boss! The plane! Ha 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 ha! All right, here we go! Ha ha! All righty! We're getting strapped in! You've got to be safe!
Pull that door shut gently.
All right. All right. We're in the chopper. Check this out. All right. Check 1, 2. Well, we've got our suit.
Okay, I'm with you.
All right. We're here with Tim, my pilot.
Hey, here we go. We're gonna roll.
We're about ready to take off. Oh! It's happening. leave a seat open for Tim. There's Prospect Church. The little hamlet of Gatchellville. October 13th in the evening after 4 p.m. and the 14th from 1 to 5. These guys gave us a call and asked if they could come over and set up rides. The ticketing is going to be separate from Maize, so you got to get your tickets ahead of time. Of course, there's a ticket, people. Come on, it's a helicopter for crying out loud. Look at that view and our visibility. How many mile visibility with that?
See the skyline above there?
Yeah, you can see all the way to Harrisburg, just straight out that direction. Oh, mommy. There comes the Maize into view. It's so cool. There's me and Tim.
Boy, here we go.
It's really from up high that you get to appreciate all the work that went into making that maze. Designer Dave killing it on the design this year, absolutely awesome. And the gang getting it cut, Tim getting it cut out there for us, and the kids maintaining all the pathways and bridges. Big shout out to the Maize Quest team, getting it done. Look at there. Got our giant chairs. We got some pumpkins out. Got our tractors out. There's the fun park. 30 things to do in there. 30 things to do. Check this out. Caltrain. See the board game? See how cool that is? There's our dinosaurs. Treadley and Goodyear are their names. You can see the new Princess Castle and the pedal kart track. That's the preview you get. We are heading in for a landing here. Tim getting it done. Alrighty, gang.
There, we're down. All's well.
All right.
Come enjoy your flight.
Come enjoy your flight. We're going to have ticketing link online here tomorrow. Make sure to reserve. We do have limited spots available because we can only take so many flights, people. But it is once in a lifetime, and it's going to happen. It's awesome. And big thank you to Tim and Mission Destiny over there. We're going to get you all hooked up, and there will... Don't tell Tim. There's going to be a discount online. I'm giving you a discount.
What did he say?
What?
I can't believe it.
All right, we're going to get it done. Have fun, guys. We'll see you soon.
Bye.